Lily. So I'm actually going to turn off a speaker. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I sound okay. I don't sound echoey or anything. You're just coming through through a speaker. I am happy to do this lesson today. And if there is an hour spot that opens up, I'm happy for that to you folks too. So it's an hour. So that usually means 2 people have to cancel on the same day, but it happens. So you guys are on my list for a cancellation of an hour. And if you guys can make it, that would be great too. And then you guys can pop in as well. But this is great because this keeps you regularly playing, every 2 weeks. And that's a good thing. Okay. So I'd like you to start with me. Obviously you can stop the video actually right now, Lily, and start by warming up with a song that you'd rather do, like your Star Spangled Banner. You've been warming up with that one, and it sounds really good. Really, really working hard on it. So I'm proud of you. So Star Spangled Banner, you can stop right now and warm up with that if you'd like. You may warm up with Jingle Bells. That is totally fine. What I'm going to do, actually, you can totally stop from there or start there. But what I want to show you too here. Okay, you don't like that Jingle Bells. I remember that. What I'd like to do is kind of go ahead. So what I'm going to show you today, I'm going to point it down toward my hands, of course. What I'm going to show you today, Lily, is in your green book, book 2, page 18, Willie and Tilly. If I played this for you, this will be a review. If I haven't, this will be a brand new song for you. It looks really weird. It looks kind of long, but it's not. Willie and Tilly is stuff that you've already done. It is exactly the same hand position as the Jingle Bells that you don't like, this Jingle Bells in the green book. So it's low G down here, a G up here, and then there's a kind of a G position that no one's playing in the middle. So here, low, high, and then nobody in the middle here. So this is Willie and Tilly. I'm going to play it up to performance tempo and with all the dynamics and all that. So don't try to play along. You can just listen the first time or watch or just look at the page or whatever you like. Right hand of this song starts in the second line at the very end. So the second line, very end, right hand starts. Rest. This is the right hand by itself, but more slowly. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the left hand. Look for fifths, look for fourths, look for thirds, look for seconds. You're really good at that, Lily. You're really good at identifying those. So look for those. That's how we read best, So this is the whole left hand of the song, but a little more slowly. Sorry, I'm getting excited. I'm trying to play both together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and 5. Another 1 and 5. Then just 1, because it's the top number. Now skips, Lily. So it's not all steps, but a lot of steps. through most of the song in the left hand. Then all of a sudden, and then in the beginning, of course, it's not. And at the end, it's a bunch of skips. So skips at the beginning, skips at the end, and then a bunch of steps in between. Now, this is A Friend Like You. This is page 19. Again, look for steps, look for skips. They're trying to trick you. Okay, they're trying to get you, not trick you, but they're trying to get you to read. Now, at the very top, this is called a half rest, Lily. A half rest is what it sounds like. It's called half rest because it's good for only half a measure. It's only a rest for 2 beats. So rest, rest. That's it. It means rest for the value of a half note, which is 2 beats, right? Okay. So A Friend Like You goes like this. This is moderately slow. Same hand position. It's Jingle Bells, Willie and Tilly, the same thing. So this is A Friend Like You, page 19, but this is up to performance tempo, which is moderately slow anyway. See all intervals in the left hand. Fourth, third, second, third, fourth. Fourth, third, second, third, fourth. Fifth, fourth, third, fourth, fifth. Now, I know that was hard to follow, Lily, but I was saying that to illustrate, you know what I'm saying here, right? So that really don't look for like, oh, which letter, oh, I put my hand in the wrong. Think about, put your hands in the correct spot and just think. Every time you do that, it's awesome, right? And not just you, I mean, everybody. I teach everyone this way. So every time you think that way, Lily, you read beautifully. It's awesome. So A Friend Like You, I'm going to play just the right hand by itself. A whole note and a quarter together. A whole note and a quarter together again, which is 5 beats. Another one, tied to those guys tied together. It's pretty easy, right? It's like steps and skips and stuff. This is the left hand of A Friend Like You. Did you catch that? Fifth, fourth, third, fourth, fifth. This is just in the G position. Then it says 1 and 4. It tells you numbers 1 and 4. Fifth, again, fourth, third, fourth, fifth. Cool. Now, page 20 and 21 are going to be writing. We'll do that together for sure. My Robot is a weird, really cool song. It seems silly at first, but for some reason it ends up being a favorite of a lot of my students. It just kind of sounds funky, and it's just kind of more fun to play. It's different from the other songs. On page 22, we learn about something called a sharp sign. Nowadays, we know it as a hashtag. That's not what it is. But in music, it is a hashtag, but it's really a sharp. A sharp in front of a note tells the player to play the note that's actually to the right of the note that you're reading. So if I see a C with a sharp beside it, I don't play the C, I play the C sharp. This is C, this is C sharp. This is D, this is D sharp. This is E, this is E sharp. This is right next door. F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp. Yes, he's also C, but he's also B sharp. C, C sharp, C. So it just means don't play the regular note. It's a modified note, okay? So My Robot's going to have C sharp in it. Same hand position that we've been doing, that Jingle Bells G thing, okay? And Willie and Tilly and stuff. This is My Robot, moderately fast, forte. So up to performance tempo. just so you can hear what it sounds like when you try it. I want you to try this at home. You can play along with me again, as always, when I do it more slowly, This is my robot. You can just watch me do it, or you can read along as I do it. And yes, it's supposed to sound like that. Okay, so the right hand of the song is really easy, Lily. You're still in G position, but I'm playing my 4, which is on C sharp, not C. This and D, okay? At the same time. Oh, they want you to do it on 3 and 2, but I think that's too confusing. The bottom line is, Lily, you can play C sharp and D however you want. But I think it's less confusing just to put your hand in G position and just do this. They just think your hands aren't strong enough yet to be able to play 4 and 5, but I think yours are. So this is the right hand of the song. Okay, this is the left hand of the song, right? So you're going to see that in the treble clef, right? That's these like little funky smush notes, right? This is the left hand. Now all of a sudden the C is not sharp. Right. So the first line, because I know that's weird, this is the left hand. The first line, right, just the beginning of the song goes 1, 5, and they give you the numbers. So just follow the numbers. But notice that number 2 is not regular C, Lily. Look. So make sure that your sound matches that sound. C sharp, not C. That's wrong. This is right. That's what gives it its weird sound. 4, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 1. 5, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 1. Then all of a sudden I don't see a C sharp anymore in the next part at all. So it must be normal C. Then just a walk down, which you know, okay? So again, stop, go back, watch me again to get these, okay? So I would love for you just to try, Lily, even if it's hand separate, okay? And review. Willie and Tilly, A Friend Like You, My Robot, okay? And then you and I together the next time are going to do page 20 and 21 together, okay? So don't try to do the writing or anything, although you probably could do it pretty well. And honestly, some students like really dig the writing. They'll do it by themselves, and then I could just come back and correct it. I'm fine with that too. I like my kids to be able to feel like they have me to help them, because I would want somebody to help me, with theory stuff. But you are more than, if you're really into it and you're really feeling motivated, Lily, to do pages 20 and 21, you're like, yeah, I can do this. This is easy. Awesome. And then when you come back, show me, and I'll be happy to correct it or look at it, or you can skip a part and say, I didn't understand what that meant, or whatever. That's totally fine. I'm very, very proud of you. You're coming along well. And like I said, I will let you guys know if an hour opens up. You guys are more than welcome to a makeup once that happens. But you guys are on my list. I will see you folks in 2 weeks.